Good day, teachers. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayong araw na ito is marami nagtatanong kung saan ba tayo pwede maka-download ng curricular guide para sa kindergarten, grade 1, grade 4, and grade 7 na matatag curriculum which is to be implemented for the school year 2024 to 2025. So dito tayo pumunta. This is our tutorial. You go to deped.coop.ph/matatag on this website. Okay? Please take a look at it. Pagkatapos from there, punta kayo sa baba, andun yung link. Then, dyan, andito na ho lahat ng mga subject na pwede nyo tingnan para sa subject area ninyo na concern. Alright? Okay, here we go one more time. Punta tayo sa deped.gov.ph/matatag-curriculum/just open it and click. Then makapunta na tayo doon sa download site. So ito yung forma natin. And of course, mababasa natin dito ang Phase 1 implementation ng Matatag curriculum for this year, 2024 to 2025. Sundan nyo lang yung link dyan. Okay? So then, after that, just click it. Then, there you go. All the subject areas. Lalabas doon at saka meron hong download na option na button. So we have from kindergarten, language, makabatsa, reading and literacy, mathematics, good manners and right conduct and values education, araling panlipunan. Of course, we also have English. We also have Filipino, music and arts. Then we also have science, the physical education and health. And of course, we also have the EPP or Edukasyon Pantahanan na Pangkabuhayan or the TLE for high school. So, andyan na ho yan lahat. And you just have to see the right side of that. We have the download button of your chosen subject. So let's have a mathematics, for example. Just click the button for mathematics. Then you can have the curriculum guide para sa subject area ninyo. So good luck, teachers. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.